So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add the echo effect to text here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva's opened up, add some text to your design. I'll just press and add a heading right here. And how about I type in the word BAM? I don't know, just for fun, whatever. So here's the word BAM right here. Now, if I wanted to add the echo effect, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right, press on effects, and under style right here, go to where it says echo right here, press on that. Now, once the echo effect is actually here, what you can actually do is change the offset if you want. If you want to make it more or less, you can do that by sliding the bar left or right. You can also change the direction of the outline right here if you want to as well, or the echo effect right here. But you can also change the color. So go to the color right here. You can change the color. You can make it black. You can make it purple. You can make it blue. Whatever the case may be. You can also go to the color wheel right here. So if you're looking for like a specific shade of blue, for instance, you can play around with it and do whatever you have to do. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to add and I guess edit the echo effect to text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.